Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use Supliful for drop shipping. So here, I'm going to use my Shopify store as well as the Supliful. The first is you have to go ahead and open your Shopify store if you want to. Okay, so this is optional, but for this tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to import products from Supliful to my Shopify store. So just open your Shopify and then just have to log in to your Shopify store. So just click on this website right here, and then if you don't have a Shopify store yet, so just you can also start the free trial for this one, and then you can enjoy your first month for just $1. So just type out your email address right here and then click on the start your free trial. And then you just have to type out right here your password. And then you just have to click on logged in. And then you'd be redirected to your Shopify store. Now you just have to open a new tab and then just type out Supliful. And you have to select this first website to appear right here. So just click on this supliful.com. And then right here, you can start your own private label business without the hassle. So right here at the tab, you'd be able to see how it works, the catalog, and right here you can log in or sign up for an account. So since we don't have a Supliful account yet, we're just going to sign up. And then we have to type out right here our full name, the email, as well as the password and what best describe you best. And then just have to click on register. And you'll be redirected to this page right here. Now you've got the services, accelerator, the fact if you want to read any of those. So now let us connect our Shopify store first. So to do that is you just have to click on the stores options right here. And then you have to add a new store. So right here you just have to select the Shopify. So you can connect a Shopify store by installing Supliful app on Shopify. So just go to your Shopify and go to the add apps and install this Supliful on-demand CPG. So we just click on install button. This one right here at the bottom right. And then this app will be installed on your Shopify store. Now you just have to connect store to your email. And as you can see right here, you have connected the Shopify store successfully. And when you click on this three dots right here at the right side of your screen, you can preview your store. So just click on it and then click on view store. And then you'd be redirected to your Shopify store. Now let's go back to Supliful. And right here, you can pick a product that you want to customize. So what you want to do is you just have to scroll down. Right here, you'd be able to see different products that you can customize. So for example, you've got this amino acids and blends. So from $7.48 to $31.49, and of course the profit that you can get for this one. And if you want to have a specific product category, so just go to the category and select the category that you want to appear in your feed. So for example, I want the natural extracts, the food and beverages, and then the proteins and blends. So just click on apply, and right here all of this category will appear on your feed. Now you'll be able to see here the prices, the SRP, and the profit. And for example, I want to customize this one, so just have to click on it. And when you scroll down, you'll be able to see this customize and sell, so just click on it. And now you can start editing the description, the name, the price of this product. So for example, the name. So if you want to change the name, you can do that. And for the price, so you can go ahead and change the price for this one according to the SRP and the profit that you can gain. Okay, and right here for the description, so if you want to edit some of the descriptions, you can do that, but I suggest you just have to leave it as it is. Okay, and then right here you can also use tools to customize this product. So you just have to go right here, and then you can use Canva or Adobe Illustrator, or you can also use the done free design recommended. So this is recommended, but for this one I'm going to use the canvas. You just have to click on it, and you just have to click on this use a template for new design. So you've already got a perfect dimension for this one, so just click on this use template for new design option right here. And finally, you can now start customizing the design for your product. So you can add different elements, for example, a shape or backgrounds for your text. You can also choose different colors for your design. So I think we don't need to change that much. You just have to add different colors and just click on share, and right here you just have to click on download and make sure to use or to choose the PDF standard file type and then click on download. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and once you're done is you just have to go back to Supliful. And then right here you just have to upload your own PDF. So here you just have to upload the label PDF and then click on this upload PDF option, and then just have to select that one that we have edited on Canva, and then just click on submit. And before we proceed to the last step is we have to preview our product, and as you can see we have successfully applied all of the elements and the new design for this product. Now what you want to do next is you have to make sure that everything is fine, and then you have to scroll down and you have to add your payment method. So right here just click on the start selling option and you have to click on this add payment method, and you have to add here the details of your card number, and then you just have to click on save. And then of course we have to know if how much we have to pay on Supliful in order for us to access the feature. So just click on the subscriptions option, and right here you can start your own product line with no upfront investment. You can start with free without paying anything. But if you want to improve your margins and receive a live business support, so you have to subscribe for the starter. So you have to pay for about $49 a month. So everything in the free plan, you've got up to 15% discounts, additional product mock-ups, and the live customer support and weekdays. And for the creator, if you want this one, so you have to pay for about $349 a month. Right here, the features are everything in the starter plan, dedicated account manager, branded customer support, and the 15 total support per month. So if you want to choose your subscriptions, you just have to select your plan. And take note why you have to choose the subscription. Of course, for the product discounts, so they offer about 15% off and selected products by selling products with this subscription plan, and then you'll be earning more. And for the additional product mock-up, so with subscription you will be able to generate your product mock-up in various compositions. And if you're hesitant, don't worry, because you've got here the customers reviews, so you have to read it, and once you're satisfied and you think this is a great risk or investment for a business, so you can go ahead and subscribe to their plan. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.